Yes. So now we are going to discuss about problem number 5. Problem number 5. See this problem now. Problem number 4. Yes. This is a problem number 5 of this Sunny Limited. See this Sunny Limited problem. On 1/4/2012, Sunny Limited issued 10,000 14% debentures of 10 each repayable at after 3 years. That means what? Now we know the issue date. What is our issue date? Issue date is 1/4/2012 is our issue date. Term is what is our term? Term is 3 years. It is very specifically mentioned in the problem. And debenture value. What is the debenture value? 10,000 debentures of 10 each. That means total debenture value is 1 lakh. 10,000 into 10 is 1 lakh. Yes. It has been decided to establish debenture redemption fund for that purpose. The annuity table shows rupees 1 for 3 years at 10% interest amount to 3.3100. The investment yielded 10% interest. Okay, so now rate of interest is given 10%. The investment is to be made in the nearest of 10 rupees. See this. Now this is very important. Multiples of 100 only. Investment is made in nearest of 10 rupees means multiples of 10 only. That we need to see. While preparing debenture redemption fund investment account, you are required to prepare first 3 account only. That is 14% debenture account, debenture redemption fund account, and debenture redemption fund investment account. You are required to prepare first 3 accounts only. Yes. So now what is different in this problem? What is different in this problem is annuity table information. Annuity table information is different in this problem. So what is that different thing is there in this annuity table information? See this, the table annuity table shows rupees 1 for 3 year at 10% interest amount to 3.3100. That means what? Here amount set aside for rupees 1 is more than 1 rupee. So before and on what we have done for 1 rupee 0.39, 0.21 like that. Less than 1 rupee we kept aside the amount. But in this case you see table value is more now. Table value is more. For 1 rupee 3 rupees is kept aside. 3.30 paisa is kept aside. In that case while preparing working note number 1, that is calculation of amount to be appropriated, we need to write the amount on the greater side. Greater side means, see, for 1 rupee 3.3100 and the amount paid by the company to the debenture holder. What is the amount paid by the company to the debenture holder? 10,000 into 10. There is no other information. How it is paid, whether it is at premium or it is at par. So we'll assume that it is at par. So 10,000 into 10, what is the amount? 1 lakh. So now 1 lakh you need to write on the side of 3.3100. See this. We are going to write 1 lakh on the side of 3.3100 instead of writing it here. See, if you write it here, what happens? Once you multiply 1 lakh into 3.31, once you multiply 1 lakh into 3.31, what is the answer you will get? So what is the answer you will get? 1 lakh into 3.31. Once you multiply, what is the answer? See, 3 lakh into 1 lakh into 3.31 means somewhere around 3 lakh 31,000. You may get around 3 lakh 31,000. That is your answer. If you write 1 lakh here, under 1 if you write 1 lakh, see this. But our amount itself is 1 lakh. Now you know our amount itself is 1 lakh. Then how you can set aside the amount more than 1 lakh? Suppose if you are getting 3 lakh 31,000, then how you can set aside that amount from P&L account every year? That is not possible. That is not possible. So that is why we are writing it under greater side. Greater side means here 3.31 is greater side. So below that we are going to write the amount which is going to paid by the company to the debenture holder 1 lakh. So now you can cross multiply 1 lakh into 1 divided by 3.3100. You will get one amount, that is 30,212. So this is the amount you need to keep aside from profit and loss account every year. So this is an appropriation amount. And you know term is 3 years. That means for all these 3 accounts you need to prepare for 3 years. For 3 years you need to prepare the account. Yes. So now first account we need to prepare in the books of Sunny Limited is 14% debenture account. Before that, have you understood this working note? This working note, have you understood? Any doubt regarding this working note? Because here annual table value is greater than 1. Here annual table value is greater than 1. So that is why we have done like this. Any doubt regarding this working note? See, now we have solved one problem previously. So once we will go to the previous problem. Once we will go to the previous problem, I will give you example. See this. So previous problem, what happened is, where is our previous problem? 1 rupee, yeah, 0.31. In this case, you see, we have written the amount in the greater side because for 1 rupee 0.31 paisa. Okay, no problem. That is why we have written 1 lakh 5 under 1. So before that problem, we have solved third problem. We will see the third problem once. See, third problem also same thing. 15 rupees there for that 2.71. Again, we have written the amount under greater side. See this. 7,500, that is 7,50,000 under 15 we have written. Same thing we need to do it for here. In this problem also same thing we need to do. See, where is our fifth problem? Yes, same thing we are going to do here also. Under greater side we are going to write the amount. Then only we can get profit and loss appropriation amount, that is 30,212. Any doubt regarding this working note? You can ask me now. Any doubt regarding this working note and table? No doubt, right? Yes. I hope this is clear. Yes. So now we will move on to ledger account. First thing we need to do is 14% debenture account. Books of Sunny Limited 14% debenture account. So same thing, same procedure like we have solved in this previous problem. First issue date we know, that is 1/4/2012, and debenture account as credit side. This is for issue. Whenever there is issue, bank to debenture account, so buy bank 1 lakh. Yes, close that year, no other information. Then brought forward that balance to the second year. Buy balance brought forward 1 lakh. Close that year, no information. That year is also closed. Two balance carry forward. Then last year. Last year is 2014-15. Why? Because this is prepared for 3 years. Not for 5 years, it is prepared for 3 years. That means our closing date is 31/3/2015. So 1/4/2014 opening balance is 1 lakh, closing balance. At the end of last year, we are going to pay the amount. That means company is going to pay the amount to the debenture holder. So this 1 lakh is given to debenture holder. Entry is debenture account debit to debenture holder account 1 lakh. Account is closed. Very simple basic account is one. 14% debenture account. Only 3 years you need to do. Yes. Very simple account. Only 2 entries. Next thing is debenture redemption fund account. Second account is debenture redemption fund account. So debenture redemption fund account has credit balance. We know credit balance. That is why we are going to start from credit side. So first thing you need to write is profit and loss appropriation account. What we got from working note. Working note we have got one amount, that is 30,212, and journal entry is profit and loss account debit to debenture redemption fund. That is why we have written profit and loss account. And in the first year there is no interest. So close that first year 30,212. Now you need to do it for second year. Second year there is opening balance. So on opening balance you need to calculate interest. How to calculate interest? Simplified journal entry. Bank account debit to debenture redemption fund on the opening balance of that year. See this 30,212 is the opening balance on that 10%. How 10%? 10% is given in the question. 10% rate of interest is given in the question. So you will get the amount, that is 3,021 as your amount. And at the and date is also important. 31/3/2014. Last at the year end, interest is received at the year end, and profit and loss account also at the year end. We are keeping the amount aside. So this entry is there for every year by profit and loss account. See, this previous year also we had entry. This year also we are having same entry. Same amount you need to write 30,212. So total of the second year is 63,445. Yes, close the second year. Now last year entry. Last year entry you need to do. Opening balance of last year will be the closing balance of the previous year. Then you need to do bank account, same thing on the opening balance. 63,445 is our opening balance. On that you need to take 10%. See, these things we have discussed in the previous problems also. Same thing we need to do, but there is one adjustment of annuity table. That's it. There is one adjustment of annuity table. So all other things are same by bank account. Now what is interest? 6,344. Why we have taken 44 not 45? Because we need to make it a round figure here, or else here we will get some different amount. That is why we have taken 44. Yes, and here we have reduced 1. Here we have reduced 1. See this, or else you can take 45 here and yes, if you take 45 and here 12, in that case what happens? Of course it will be more, I feel. Yes, so that is why here 1 rupee is reduced. So total is 1 lakh. Total is 1 lakh. My profit and loss account is same for every year. But don't write this information. Leave the debenture redemption fund account as it is. For the last year, after writing interest and profit and loss account, leave the debenture redemption fund account for the time being and do debenture redemption fund investment account. Now you need to prepare debenture redemption fund investment account. See this, there is one correction. Here I forgot to write the word investment. So just one correction in the name, debenture redemption fund investment account. Yes. So how debenture redemption fund investment account is prepared? Investment has debit balance. We know debit balance. That is why we need to start from debit side. First year no interest, only P&L amount we need to write. That is why 30,210. Why 210? Very important. Multiples of 10 only. Multiples of 10 only means what? That 2 rupees is ignored. 2 rupees is ignored. What is our appropriation amount here? Appropriation amount is 30,212. But in multiples of 100 only means 2 rupees is ignored and that 2 rupees is carried forward to the next year. 2 rupees is carried forward to the next year. So now first year multiples of 10, 30,210. Close that year, no other information. Now do it for second year. Second year, 2 balance brought forward 30,210. Next, 2 bank account. Very important. Now, 2 bank account there is adjustment. In 2 bank account there is adjustment. What adjustment we are having, that we need to see. See this. First thing we need to write is P&L appropriation amount. So that we have written 30,212 is appropriation amount we have written. Second thing we need to do interest calculation. In this case, I have already mentioned this. In this case, multiples of 100 only, 1000 only. In this case, what we are going to do? We need to calculate the interest on the opening balance of debenture redemption fund investment only. We cannot see the previous account in this case. We cannot see the previous account in this case because sometimes here amount may come different, amount will be different. That is why it is better to calculate on the opening balance of debenture redemption fund investment of that particular year. So in this year, this is our opening balance. You calculate, you will get one amount. Yes, that is 3021. So what is our total? Total, we need to make the total. So let me open the calculator. Yes. So now we need to add the amount. First we need to add all the amount. See this, 3021 plus 3021 plus 30,212 is how much? 33,233. We are getting 33,233. Okay, plus 2 rupees. Why 2 rupees? Because 2 is carried forward from the last year. See this, we have not written 2 here. That 2 rupees goes to the next year. Carried forward amount. So now what is our amount? 33,235. 33,235 is our amount. But in multiples of 100, in multiples of 10 only. That is why we are ignoring this 5. We are ignoring this 5 and we are taking only 33,230. Remaining amount goes to the next year. If there is interest calculation, it goes to the next year. Yes. So now total of that second year is 63,440. No other entry. So 63,440 is total of the second year. Now last year we need to do. Last year there is no interest. Why no interest? Because investments are sold. So now we know the actual value. What is the actual value? 63,440. But whether the sale information is given in the question, once you see the sale information, whether they have mentioned it in the question, there is no information about sale. But it is assumed that at the end of the period, the company is going to pay the amount to the debenture holder. That is why actual amount itself, the investments are sold. Actual amount itself at par value investments are sold by bank account. That is bank account debit to investment account. Yes. So sale of investment at par value. So investments are sold at par value since here there is no profit, no loss. That means here there is no transfer entry. That means here we are not going to write any entry in debenture redemption fund account. See this. Now we closed debenture redemption fund investment account 63,440. Now we left that account last year debenture redemption fund account. Here no transfer entry because there is no profit, no loss. So directly entire 1 lakh is transferred to general reserve in debenture redemption fund account, DRF account, second account. Yes, this is balancing figure. General reserve is our balancing figure. Hence we closed debenture redemption fund account also. So we have done all the three account. All the three account we have done. So any doubt regarding this question, you can ask me now. Any doubt regarding this question, you can ask me now regarding carry forwarding the amount, regarding the multiples of 10 only. So all these things you can ask if you have any doubt. Yes. Yes, any doubt regarding question number 5? Very simple question. Only three accounts for 3 years. 12 marks question. This type of question comes for 12 marks. Yes. Anything you want to ask, you can ask me regarding this question. Unmute yourself or comment in the chat box. Any doubt? Akamsha, Amrita, Ankita, Anusha, Ashish, Disha, Kushal, Narasimha, Nishant, Omkar, Pooja, Shifali, Suresh. Any doubt? Amrita is saying no. What about others? Why others are not responding? Anusha is saying no. Narasimha, no. What about Kushal? Suresh? Kushal is saying no. Okay. Suresh, no. See, this is very simple, basic, because if you know the concept and journal entry, it is very easy to prepare ledger account, and all the sums are of similar nature, Only minute adjustments will be there. That you need to remember. That's it. Or else all five account for every problem you need to do. Same procedure you need to follow. But in this case, there is multiples of 100 or 10 is there. That is why we have taken this round figure information in investment account. Yes. So now one more small problem we need to discuss. The last problem of this class that we need to see. Next problem. Problem number 6. Problem number 6. See this. See this problem number 6. On 1/4/2014, following balance appeared in the books of Swarna Limited. Okay. So 16% debenture 1 lakh. Debenture redemption fund 80,000. Debenture redemption fund investment account 80,000. See this. Now issue date. Issue date is not given. Directly balance is itself is given. Directly balance is given. 1/4/2014. Okay. Now, debenture fund and debenture fund investment account has same balance. I have already told this. For every year, debenture fund and debenture redemption fund investment account has same balance. See this. That is why they have given same balance, 80,000 and 80,000 for both the accounts. Except for the case of multiples of 100 only or 10 only, then there may be a changes in the amount. Yes. So now it is very clear. So what are these information? First three information, they have given the balance. They have given balance of first three account for the last year they have given here. 2014 last year they have given. Yes. So now investment consists of 14% SBI bond. Investment consists of 14% SBI bond. That means what? 14% is a rate of interest. 14% is our rate of interest. That is specifically mentioned in the problem. SBI bond. So when you are purchasing, you are investing it in bond, you will get the rate of interest, whatever the rate specified on that particular bond. In this SBI bond, they have specified 14%. So 14% is a return you are going to get. That means company is going to get. Yes. Annual installment was 16,400. So what is this annual installment? Annual installment is nothing but in this problem directly P&L appropriation amount is given. That means you no need to calculate working note. No need to calculate working note. Annual installment is directly given in the problem itself. So that is 16,400 directly given. Yes. On 31/3/2015, bank balance was 22,600. Okay. So this is for last year. See this. How we know the balance is given for the last year? Because our last year starts from 2014 April and ends on 31/3/2015. That is why I told these balance are given for last year. Okay. So now bank balance doesn't involve interest on investment. That means what? You need to write interest on investment of the last year in bank balance, in bank account debit side. In bank account debit side, you need to write interest on investment of the last year. Okay. The investment realized for 92% net. So now by seeing this, can you tell me whether there is a profit or loss? Can you tell me? Very simple. By seeing this, can you tell me whether there is a profit or loss in the debenture redemption fund investment account? 92% net. Whether there is a profit or loss, can you tell me? Very simple. By seeing the figure itself, we can tell now whether there is a profit or loss. Answer. Yes, answer. Comment in the chat box or unmute yourself whether there is a profit or loss. Investment sold at 92% net means whether there is a profit or loss. Yes, I want answer now. Can you tell me now? See, very simple, very simple. Yes, loss. Nishant is saying correct answer. Loss. Why? Because it is very simple. 100% means what? 100% means par. So in the debenture redemption fund investment account debit side last year balance, you will get actual value. You will get actual value. Suppose investments are sold at par or at 100%, that means you are selling the investment on that particular value which is available at the end of the year or at the beginning of the year in debenture redemption fund investment account. But here it is not 100%. Here it is not 100%. They have set 92%. That means what? Here investments are sold 8% less. Here investments are sold 8% less. That is why here there is a loss. That is why here there is a loss. Yes, very clear. Debentures were redeemed. No problem. Prepare all necessary ledger account. Okay. So what all necessary ledger account you need to prepare? All three account. Basically all three account you need to prepare. Yes. And if possible, you can prepare back also. Yes, everything you need to prepare. Or else everything you need to prepare. Why? Because they have said necessary ledger account. They have not mentioned which particular account. All means everything comes. All five account you need to prepare. So now answer part. Answer part. See this. There is some notes are given. What is this note? Entries during the last year only should be passed in all account. Why? Because there is only 1 year information is given in the question for all account. First three account as well as next two account last year entry only. Yes, by taking the opening balance in the first three account. Okay. Amount to be appropriated is given as 16,400. That I have already told. This is appropriation amount is given in the question itself. See this annual installment is given in the question itself. No need to calculate working note. Yes. So by seeing the problem, we can directly go with ledger account. Directly go with ledger account. So we will prepare the first account. In the books of Swarna Limited. In the books of Swarna Limited, 16% debenture account. How we know 16% debenture account? Whether there is any information? Yes, see this. Class of debenture is mentioned. 16% debenture. That is why we are preparing 16%. Only last year entry, very small account. See this? Very small account. Opening balance is given in the question. On 1/4/2014. See this. Opening balance is given in the question. 1 lakh. That is why we know that debenture has credit balance. So start from credit side. By balance brought forward, opening balance given in the question 1 lakh. Okay. So at the end of last year, it is paid to debenture holder. Very simple. So that is on 31/3/2015. Debenture account to debenture holder account. Company going to pay the amount to debenture holder 1 lakh. Debenture account is closed. Only one entry, 1 year entry. Debenture account is closed. Now we need to prepare debenture redemption fund account. Second account is sinking fund account or debenture redemption fund account. So now debenture redemption fund also has credit balance. So now balance of debenture redemption fund, whether they have given balance. Yes, see this question they have mentioned. Last year 80,000 is a balance. So opening balance you write in the credit side of sinking fund account or debenture redemption fund account. 1/4/2014 by balance brought forward 80,000. That is opening balance given in the question. Okay. So now in this year, what other entries are there? Interest is there. I told interest is there for opening balance. Yes. Here we know the opening balance. Calculate interest. Rate of interest is 14%. How 14%? Because it is given in the question. SBI bond worth 14%. SBI bond, State Bank of India bond worth 14%. So on opening balance 80,000, take 14%. You will get that amount, that is 11,200. That is interest. And profit and loss account information is also directly mentioned in the question. Amount to be appropriated. So that is by profit and loss account 16,400 directly given in the question. So now we know credit side total. Now we know credit side total 1,07,600. But don't write these entries now. So same procedure, don't write these entries. Now leave the account as it is. Leave the account as it is. Now go for debenture redemption fund investment account. Now go for third account. Then we will come back to second account. After closing the third account, we will come back to second account. So now we will prepare debenture redemption fund investment account. We know that debenture redemption fund account and debenture redemption fund investment account has same balance. Even if it is not mentioned in the question, we need to write the same balance. See this. But investment account has debit side balance. We know. That is why debit side at the beginning of the year, 1/4/2014, two balance brought forward is 80,000. Yes, that we have written. That is given in the question itself. Opening balance. Yes, and all amount we need to write in the credit side. Before that, there is no interest. Why there is no interest? Because this is last year. Last year interest are sold. Last year investments are sold. That is why no interest. Yes. So debit side, no other information. Directly go for credit side. Credit side, there is a sale. I have already told it is there is a loss. How there is a loss? 92%. See this. Now actual amount is 80,000 debit side, but sold at 92%. So how to calculate? 80,000 into 92% you need to do. 80,000 into 92% if you do, you will get one amount, that is 73,600. So this is a sale amount. 73,600 is a sale amount which is less than actual amount. Actual amount is 80,000. So what is the loss? You can easily calculate difference value. 80,000 minus 73,600, if you do, you will get difference amount. What is the difference amount? 6,400. And you know that if there is a profit, if there is a loss, you need to transfer to second account. What is our second account? Debenture redemption fund account or sinking fund account. So here we transfer the loss to debenture redemption fund account. So by debenture redemption fund, loss on sale 80,000 minus 73,600. Hence we closed debenture redemption fund investment account 80,000 both this side. So after closing debenture redemption fund investment account, go for debenture redemption fund account, previous account. There we have written, till now we have written all right side information. Now we need to fill in debit side information. Debit side information, since there is a loss, we have written by. Since there is a loss in debenture redemption fund, we have written by debenture redemption fund. That means what? What is the journal entry? Debenture redemption fund account debit to debenture redemption fund investment account. Okay. So in the debenture redemption fund account, you are going to write two opposite entry. That is transfer entry. To debenture redemption fund investment account, loss amount transferred from third account 6,400. 6,400. Okay. Now we know the total. Credit side total is more than the debit side. 1,07,600 is a credit side total, so that is highest total. Both the side you write the same total, and from that total minus 6,400. That is loss value you need to deduct. What is the remaining amount? 1,07,600 minus 6,400. If you do, you will get 1,01,200. So this amount is unutilized amount. Unutilized amount remaining in sinking fund account is transferred to general reserve account. That is entry is debenture redemption fund account debit to general reserve account. Balancing figure. Balancing figure 1,01,200. So we closed second account also. We have closed debenture redemption fund account also. So now we prepared all three account. Now we prepared all three account. Next thing we need to do is bank account. Fourth account is bank account. Okay. So before that, any doubt in the first three account? Any doubt regarding the first three account? Any doubt regarding the first three account? Debenture account, fund account, and fund investment account. Any doubt you can ask me now. First three account. Very simple for last year only. Shifali is saying no doubt. So I hope others also getting this. I hope there is no doubt with others also. So now you see bank account, fourth account. So in this bank account, once you see the question, whether the opening balance is given or the last year balance is given for bank. Yes, given. See this. 31/3/2015. That is closing balance is given. Last year closing balance is given. That is 22,600. So that balance you need to write. Bank account you know. Bank account you know that has debit balance. That is why you start from debit side. See this. To balance brought forward year end. Last year end. Date is important. 31/3/2015. Okay. 22,600 directly from the question. And all debit side you need to write what? All cash comes in. What and all comes in? You need to write last year interest. I have already told, because bank balance does not involve interest. That is why we need to include the interest. That is why we need to include the interest. How to include the interest? You can see second account. You can see second account, that is debenture redemption fund account. In a debenture redemption fund account, we have calculated last year interest. See this, 80,000 into 14%, that is 11,200. 11,200. So that amount we need to write in bank account. That amount we need to write in bank account. See this, last year interest. Or else you can say it is a transfer entry from second account to debenture redemption fund account. Last year interest 11,200, transfer entry. One more entry comes, that is if you see the debenture redemption fund investment account, you can come to know what is that entry. Sale amount. You need to write sale amount. See this, to debenture redemption fund investment account sale 73,600. How we got this entry? See the third account. See the third account. Here we have written buyback. See this. Here we have written buyback. So what is the entry? Bank to debenture redemption fund investment. That is why in bank account we have written 2. In bank account we have written 2. That is transfer entry sale 73,600. So now we know the debit side total. Obviously debit side total is more than the credit side. What is the debit side total? 1,07,400. Credit side only one information comes. What is that? Payment information. What amount is paid to the debenture holder? Payment made to the debenture holder, that is by debenture holder 1 lakh. Cash goes from bank. Yes, that is debenture holder account debit to bank account 1 lakh. That is at the year end. See this, payment is made. So what balance is remaining after making the payment? That is 1,07,400 is our total. From that, if you take 1 lakh, that is payment, you will get 7,400. That is unutilized balance remaining in bank account. So by balance carry forward, balancing figure 7,400. And if you are doing bank account for the future purpose in future years, then this will be your opening balance. So now we closed bank account also. After doing the all other things, we have closed bank account also. After this last one account we need to do, that is debenture holder account. Debenture holder account, we know it has credit balance and we need to start from credit side. Credit side we need to write due amount. What is the due amount? By 16% debenture 1 lakh. So this is the amount company is going to pay to debenture holder. How we got by 16% debenture? You can see the first account. First account we can see the first account. Where is our first account? See this, 16% debenture account we have written. Here we have written to debenture holder. That is why here buy comes. In debenture holder account buy comes, that is transfer entry from first account. Yes, due amount 1 lakh. And finally payment is made to debenture holder. When there is a payment, you know what is the entry. Debenture holder to bank. Holder is getting the amount, bank balance decreases. Bank balance decreases. So 1 lakh goes out from bank. Yes. So now the debenture holder account is also tallied. Very simple. So now we have closed all 5 accounts. Any doubt regarding this you can ask.